And what's amazing about that a lot of times people or organizations really don't know what they need. I don't know if you ever came in a situation where you really have some doubt, you really don't understand, and really that was marketing gives you the opportunity to really figure that out. So that's really what marketing is. A lot of people really, they come up with, I'm an engineer, so they build this great product, and then they go try to find somebody to take, and that's really the wrong way to do that, especially when people are trying to start the business with their hard-earned money, that they really need to have a plan and a process. And that's what I try to talk when I talk to clients and individuals that want to build and grow their businesses.
Yeah, so you find the need. You go after the need.
Yeah, you find a need, and really when you talk about a need, it's really a problem.
Mm-hmm.
And just like engineering and just like mathematics, you're looking for a problem to solve. And I think a lot of times when people start a business, it's really about themselves. And really you have to be selfless. It's really about that particular client, that particular person. And I always say, are you going for a prospect or a suspect? Mm. Now, a suspect is someone who may buy. And one of the issues that most people deal with when they start a business, I ask them, who is your customer? And they tell me, well, everybody's my customer because they want to make the most money that they can. But as you know, if you have relatives, all your relatives are not good relatives. and saying that all people that are potential customers are not good customers. And so what you want to try to do is, we talked about creating a prospect, is that you want those individuals that are qualified, or individuals that really understand that what you offering is valuable. And when you have the product and you have the right customer, you have a good relationship. And that's really what we try to encourage when we start talking about those basic marketing concepts. First of all, you need to understand what your market is and what your, we say, ideal client or your ideal customer looks like.
Okay, so Dr. Green, can you tell us, just in your life, how has marketing changed? How has it evolved? Just what you've seen in your life.
Well, when the whole concept got started, I'll give you a little history lesson. It's not
Here
serious.
we go.
It's not serious. But we think about the automobile. We think about the Ford, the Model T. They had one basic model, and it was black. And so individuals were caught in a situation. You had a car. It was the only car of its type. It's the only car that you have, and so they got it. Mm-hmm. And so the emphasis was, you create a product and you go find somebody. Well, we evolved in the marketing community, and you came into sales. So now you have all these black cars. You have a surplus of black cars, and so you go try to find somebody to purchase them. Then we evolved and said, well, let's do a little bit better. So we started thinking about who are the potential people that might be interested in their product, and then we went and we tried to match our product to the customer. So now we're in the 21st century. The real emphasis now is trying to not only find your need, mm-hmm. Try to meet your need, but the whole goal now is what we call relationship marketing or relationship selling. So now I'm not just trying to buy or try to sell you something one time. I want to maintain that relationship because I know that relationship is valuable. Again, we got a lot of competition, and so I'm trying to grow and build those relationships. So I'm not going after suspects anymore. Just like relationship, I'm trying to go after that right prospect, and that's really what has evolved. So we moved away from creating a product to now we're trying to come up with the right product for the right person and build that relationship so that we can have different product offerings, different services to that same individual. And you see the right companies, they do a lot of that. If you think about Amazon, when you buy from Amazon, you'll get a ticker. He said, well, if you like this, maybe you like this particular product.
Yeah.
And that's what the better quality organizations try to do. I think for most